Hi everyone, so right now we are at 601 First Avenue in Manhattan. So this is the building we are cleaning right now. So as you can see, these windows haven't been cleaned for I don't know, probably never. And we are doing acid wash for the glass. Unfortunately, client don't have a budget to clean all the metal, so we're just cleaning glass and all the bottom. As you can see the difference between clean, our guy's still working on it, but you already see the difference. That's pretty high and we have an overhang. So we're gonna have to clean this canopy, and you can see the condition of the building. Pretty bad. And all this bottom portion we're gonna power wash. So look at the rust on the stainless steel, and look at the difference in here. They already started